Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you actually have raid tickets and the right team setup. Open your inventory and note the ticket count. Once done, assemble a party or join an existing one so one person can launch the raid. This saves wasted tickets. Make sure recommended levels and elemental buffs match the boss. That alignment increases success chance and reduces retries. Now tap the raid board, select the desired raid tier, and press the launch button to consume your ticket and invite teammates. You stay active during the battle. Assign clear roles so damage dealers, healers, and buffers know when to engage. Once the boss exposes a vulnerability, use cooldowns and ultimates immediately. Timing these during 30 to 45-second damage windows multiplies efficiency. Make sure you swap and reserve characters when someone faints to maintain DPS pressure. Also monitor boss mechanics and communicate via quick chat. That coordination prevents wipe and makes each consumed ticket matter for loot probability. You complete the raid by claiming rewards and checking both shared and personal drops. This ensures you don't miss rare items. Once done, evaluate performance. If you failed, review what triggered wipes, missed mechanics, bad timing, or wrong element, and change strategy before using more tickets. Make sure to conserve tickets and retry only after adjusting gear, roles, or buffs. Quick tip: if connection issues occur, switch to a lower latency server or relog before consuming more tickets to avoid losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.